Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to repair drivers in Windows 10. Step 1. Open the search menu by clicking on the search box or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This is where you can quickly find built-in Windows tools needed to manage and repair drivers. Step 2. Type Device Manager in the search bar and click on Device Manager from the results. Device Manager is the central place where Windows lists all hardware and their installed drivers. Step 3. Double-click the device category you want to repair, such as display adapters, network adapters, or disk drives. This helps you locate the exact type of hardware that may be causing problems. Step 4. Double-click the specific device or driver listed under that category. This opens the Device Properties window, where you can view and manage driver settings. Step 5. Click on the Driver tab inside the Device Properties window. This tab shows important details like the driver version, date, and available repair options. Step 6. Click Update Driver to start the driver repair process. This option allows Windows to replace outdated or faulty drivers with a better version. Step 7. Select Browse My Computer for drivers to manually choose a driver already available on your system. This is useful when automatic updates do not fix the issue. Step 8. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This option displays all compatible drivers that Windows can use for your device. Step 9. Select the manufacturer-specific driver if it is available in the list. Manufacturer drivers are usually more stable and optimized for your hardware. Step 10. Click Next and wait for the driver to install completely. Once finished, Windows will apply the updated driver, which can help resolve errors or performance issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.